I am now going to guide you through an exercise to relax tense muscles and ease anxiety. If you feel uncomfortable at any time during this exercise, you can simply relax and breathe normally. So sit comfortably with both feet on the floor and rest your hands on your lap with your palms facing upwards, fingers relaxed. Close your eyes if you wish. Begin by taking a slow, deep breath in through your nose for a count of 4. 3, 2, 1. Hold your breath for a count of 2. 1. Then breathe out slowly through your mouth for a count of 6. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Take another slow breath in through your nose. 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold. 2, 1. Breathe out. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Release any tension in your body. Now shift your attention to your feet and take a moment to focus on how they feel. As you take your next breath in, slowly tense the muscles in your feet and calves firmly but gently. Hold for a few seconds, breathe out and relax the muscles. Breathe in, slowly tense the muscles in your thighs, squeezing as tightly as you can. Hold. Breathe out and relax. Breathe in, slowly tense the muscles in your buttocks, squeezing as tightly as you can. Hold. Breathe out and relax. Breathe in, slowly tense the muscles in your tummy, squeezing as tightly as you can. Hold. Breathe out and relax. Breathe in, slowly tense the muscles in your back, squeezing as tightly as you can. Hold. Relax and breathe out. Breathe in, slowly make a fist, squeezing as tightly as you can. Hold. Breathe out and relax. Breathe in, slowly tensing the muscles in your shoulders, squeezing as tightly as you can. Hold. Breathe out and relax. Breathe in, slowly tense the muscles in your face, squeezing as tightly as you can. Hold. Breathe out and relax. Breathe in and breathe out. Continue breathing normally and feel the heaviness in your body, a sensation of calm. Know there is great appreciation here for you.